Hi, my name is Rika.
And my name is Ken. In a world where technological advancements constantly drive our society, our healthcare, our life, it has made us forget about one of the most important aspects of life on Earth, nature. We believe that humans and nature can coexist together, depending on one another. So are we taking enough steps to strengthen this coexistence, like how we are advancing in medicine, healthcare, or let's say technology? Or are we actually slowly tearing it up into pieces? So Rika, what are Eastern Saurus cranes?
Well, Ken, the Eastern Saurus crane is actually the inspiration of our product. It might be a long word to say, so I'll be saying ESC for short from now on. So the ESCs are the tallest flying birds in the world, and it is found in Southeast Asia, with the common countries being Thailand, Myanmar, and Vietnam. The ESCs usually live in paddy fields, wetlands, and marshes. In the IUCN Red List, the ESCs are stated vulnerable, which means they are at a high risk of extinction. And in Thailand, the ESCs were once extinct from the wild. However, it was reintroduced back in 2011. But this means that the population still decreases every single year, and one of the main reasons is because of chemical pesticides.
So the use of toxic chemical pesticides in agricultural practices are a much concerning problem. Use of substances like organochlorides, chloropyrifos, and endosulfans are producing detrimental effects to all life forms. So for ESCs, chloropyrifos metabolite acts as a reproductive toxicant. This is a big problem as ESCs only lay around 1 to 2 eggs a time. For adult cranes, this can lead to loss of orientation, acute poisoning, and may lead to death.
These pesticides are the leading factor of the rapid population decline of ESCs. In addition, it is also the reason of the rapid population explosion of the species food base, in this case, Calyphria, or grasshopper. This means that more crops will suffer damage, thus leading to a decrease in yield. So our solution is to create an environmentally friendly biopesticide tablet, which is highly effective in rice pest management in the long term. This tablet will be long-lasting with a low production cost, and an extra bit we added is that it can increase the yield and quality of the rice. This links to the SDG goal, Life on Land, as this tablet aims to reduce the population decline of wildlife animals such as ESCs. So Ken, can you tell us about the composition of the tablet?
So Rika, our tablet composition. We start off with azadirachtin powder, which is derived from the plant species Azadirachta indica, or what we call neem. They act as the base of our biopesticide, as they have strong anti-fidant properties, as well as acts as an insect growth disruptor on more than 200 species of insects, including most major rice pests. Secondly, we have eugenol powder, which acts as a very effective insecticide as well as herbicide due to their aromatic effects. Thirdly, we use garlic powder, which is a highly effective insect repeller, and also it acts to promote plant growth. We also add sawdust powder and blood meal powder to our tablet to increase the effectiveness of it.
So in terms of tablet coating, we'll be adding an environmentally friendly coating and pigment to the tablet. This coating allows the slow release of active ingredients and also increases the shelf life of the tablet.
So what makes our biopesticide different from all those other biopesticides out there? So firstly, it can be directly applied to the soil after plowing or after transplanting the seedlings. Secondly, there's no instructions needed. Farmers only need to make sure that they apply these pellets over the whole area of their field. So one sack, which is 5 kilograms, will cover an area of 1 rai in Thai, or 1,600 square meters. No machineries are needed, and most importantly, they are effective from seedling to harvest. So these are some of the sources that we use for gathering the information, and credits to EEC Thailand for the photos. Lastly, we hope that one day our solution will not only be used on a regional scale, but on a global scale to help prevent the extinction of many more species out there. Let's not wait for robots and technological advancements to dominate our world. Nature is dependent on us, and we humans depend on nature as well. Thank you.